Before you try to control the boat with just one line, stern line in this case, make sure you have enough space and make sure that the wind is not too strong from the side. So if the wind is from the stern, it's okay to have any strength of the wind. Before approach, make sure you prepare the fenders on that side, particularly because you're going to stick to the dock. Engine is now neutral and helm port easy. This is our target bollard on the dock, so we're going to catch it with our stern line. Now engine is in easy reverse, so not to stop completely. Now we have a stern line. We're gonna fix it now. Reverse till we stop. Engine neutral. And now you have this reaction from a stern line. As soon as you have reaction, start moving forward. If you have a fender there on a corner, you're not gonna hit the wall. Helm, keep to the left all the time. Engine forward all the time. And you will also see a prop wash pushing us to the wall.